Hey folks, again today the shower is very spotty, not much out there. This is what it looks like now, and what's left has moved up into the ranch country of western Hidalgo County and the middle part of Starr County. There you can see it. It's all well west of Highway 281, I-69C. Shouldn't be much else tonight. Things should relatively quickly fade away. The rest of the night will be quiet across the region, and really, for the most part, tomorrow will be quiet as well. There will be an isolated shower again on the sea breeze tomorrow afternoon, but we're talking isolated like today. Most places stay dry. If you do get wet, it doesn't last very long. These are fast-moving, small showers. Not a lot of moisture to work with. And kind of the same thing for Saturday. Isolated stuff, but nothing big. Most places stay dry. I think by Sunday, we do start to see a little bit of an increase in moisture, though, and a few reasons why we could see a slightly better chance for rain on Sunday. So 30% for Sunday and into early next week. Here's where temperatures stand right now, about 94 in McAllen, but 84 out north of Edinburgh at the airport out there, 90 in Weslaco right now, 87 in Port Isabel, 89 the latest reading in Brownsville. Overnight lows tonight should be in the mid-70s, about 75 in Raymondville. Harlingen bottoms out about 74. And the coast, South Padre, 82 for the low temperature. That's what it was this morning. Should be about the same again tonight. Then for tomorrow, we're all back in the 90s again, 91 to 97 across the region. Winds out of the east-southeast at about 10 to 16 miles an hour during the day, and again, about a 10% probability of a shower during the daytime tomorrow. The normal high for this time of year is now 89. It's slowly going down, but the temperatures are not going down with the normal high. We're at 94 tomorrow on Saturday and 93 on Sunday. Not anything close to normal for the next few days. Look at the bigger picture across Texas tonight. Temperatures in the 80s across most of the state. You get to Dalhart, though, they've cooled off a little bit, just a little weak front through there, so they're 71. A little weak front that will get nowhere near us. We need a strong front to push this direction, and we just don't see it. Like we talked about last night, that upper level wind flow is southwest and northeast, and when it's like that, you try to push a front underneath that, and it just can't move southward. So the fronts kind of get down to about Dalhart or so, and then they get pushed eastward and they fall apart. They never get here. Pretty good trough coming into the western part of the country, but that's just kind of the opening act because the big one is coming late in the weekend and into early next week. This thing is going to produce a big snowstorm in, the western Dakotas and down into parts of even western Nebraska, Colorado. Ahead of that, some showers and pretty big storms in parts of Texas. For us, what it means is an increase in wind probably Sunday into Monday, and with that, probably a slightly better chance for some showers as that moisture pushes into the area. A lot of tropical moisture could get caught up in the flow, so at least spotty showers possible Sunday into Monday. Travel plans overnight tonight, temperatures fall into the 70s across Texas. During the daytime tomorrow by noon, we're all back in the 80s again under partly sunny skies. There's Leslie, still hanging on as a tropical storm. This thing down here, it bears watch, although most of the models say eventually it turns north or northeast, but we'll watch it. It is that time of year still. There's Leslie. Look at the path. Just kind of wandering around out there. It does weaken eventually, but still, by next week, Hurricane Center still says it's a tropical storm with 60-mile-per-hour winds. At our coast, here's what's happening. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. UV is very high. No advisories for tomorrow. Three tides starting with a high at 225 in the morning. So for tonight, partly cloudy and warm, a low of 76, and tomorrow back to 94, but an isolated shower can't be ruled out, but you're talking 10% or so. For the most part, it's just partly sunny and unusually warm. We're warm again on Saturday. It's still warm on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Above average, certainly, but at least the chance for an isolated shower the next couple of days and maybe a little bit more widespread Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.